Hi, it's Steffi from Steffi's Beads and Baubles, and I thought I'd show you what I'm up to today. I'm getting very close to creating again, but I've shown you for years all the bins of jewelry parts and pieces, and I'm slowly going through it. And this is one of my boxes right here. You can see how big. This is a big and very heavy box, and I'm going through it a little at a time up here on my desk. This is what I'm about to go through right now. It's just all these things. And then what I do is I separate them onto, I'm going slowly so I don't make it dizzy, onto these trays and into these old egg crates. And then some of it will get put away in my bins up there. Some, I don't know if you can see, there's some bins of bead kind of collaborations. I got Christmas, I got fall, I've got Halloween, and I've got blue because I have a lot of blue. But there's also some bags down behind that chair there that are different colors as well. And then I have my separated bins. So as I go through all this stuff, and this is what I've got pulled out for the next few hours, I'm separating. Many of these beads I will put in bags. I've got one started here. And they'll just be mixed bags of beads that I will sell. And many of these things I'm separating for my use. And just putting them in colors because I'm going to start creating this week, and I'm going to work on this for the next few days, and then whatever I got done is going to be done, and then I'm going to start creating. I'm hoping to do some craft fairs, and I'm just finding so many absolutely beautiful and fun things as I go through. Look at all this beadwork, and I did not do this. This is beadwork that I found in my stuff. Earring findings, just beautiful and fun things I can use to create with, and just bin after bin. Look at this bin just full of all kinds of interesting things. It's just amazing, just tons of pretty things. So I'm just pulling out stuff I'm interested in going through, and then going through it, sorting it, and I can go through it pretty fast. Some stuff I'll take apart, and there might be some pieces that I only want one or two elements off. Now this one I'll want everything. But there might be a necklace with 5 beads on it I want. The other beads will go in a bag. And when I get all the beads sorted, I'll eventually have bags and bags of beads that I will make available for sale. Now this one's not quite as full, but you can see there's a full one there. That's full of jewelry there. And I think this one's got a decent amount. It's full too. It's pretty heavy. I don't know if you can see down in there, but it's pretty full. So it's a lot of work, but it's absolutely a blast for me to just go through all these things and see. And these are all just, some of these are new beads. Like this is a necklace I'm going to take apart here. It's just a beautiful necklace. And then these are necklaces I took apart. I got that piece and this piece off the same necklace. And look at all those beads. A lot of these are new beads, but a lot of these are beads and parts that I take off of old pieces of jewelry. Like this old belt will make a nice handle for something, a bag or something. Some charms. I mean, look at this bracelet I can do something fun with. It's missing the stuff that made it worth selling, so I can make it into something. And I have another one over there similar. Just all kinds of interesting, some one of a kind. And these were off of a necklace I took apart. These gorgeous glass beads. It's just so much fun. And if you're interested, I'll show you more of the process. But I pulled out a whole bag of stuff last night. That's top of the list for today. Look at all these different beads. And like this necklace here, it's not a necklace I'd want to wear. And I don't care much for those black or these brown discs. But I'd use the black and these beautiful orange. And then the rest of the pieces can all go. This strap is also cool. I could use that for something fun. So it's just so many beautiful pieces that I have. And I'm just really excited to go through and pull and beads. And some of them are actual strings of beads that I've gotten in different bags and boxes of jewelry. I mean, look at, you pick up these old pieces that maybe you wouldn't want to wear. But look at these gorgeous beads. And, you know, it's just some of the stuff you might have seen years ago. if you've been watching my channel for a while. These are a gorgeous soft pink, and I'll put them up here in my pink beads. So that's what I'm going to be doing the next few days, see how much I can get done. And today is Thursday, so I'm going to work all day Thursday, all day Friday, and then hopefully Saturday I can get through most of it and can get some creating done. But I'm just sitting here at my computer, putting on YouTube videos or different documentaries, the things I can listen to and don't have to pay attention. Some of these are beads I got in lots. Most of them are not beads I bought new myself, but in a lot of this stuff I don't want. A lot of this stuff will go into the bags of beads. But there's some great charms in here, and just broken bits and pieces. It's just a lot of fun to go through. This one I've pretty much gone through most of the way. But like, I love this tassel. It's just fun. This is like a metal shirt. Some miscellaneous fiber optic beads. Some charms my friend Cheryl Coyote sent me. These are, I think, chickens. Let's see if I can get them to show up on camera. I think they're like a chicken. Just a lot of fun stuff. It's a little glass pendant. So that's what I'm going to be doing, and then you'll see me back very soon. I've been working to get back to this place, but I've just been putting too much time into reselling, and I decided it was not bringing me joy, and it wasn't even bringing me much money, so I'm going to do what brings me joy. And I've also decided to do some craft fairs, which will be a lot of fun. So, yeah, so see, this is fun for me. Look at all these cute, somebody took a tile, wooden tile, they put little pieces of stick for a frame, put a little picture in there and put a shiny coating on it. And there's just so much, look at these beads, it's just one of a kind and unique beads that I just have stashed away. This box here is some of the stuff I felt the strongest about keeping. So I would say at least half of this box, maybe between 40 and 60% of this box I'll keep, and the rest will all be stuff that I got lots of this type of beautiful beadwork in my jewelry boxes. So I'll do something with it. You know, I'll add to it and make something out of it. I got lots of charms. Some are charms that I got new or in a lot. Some are charms I took off of stuff. But I'm going to have a lot of fun going through it. And then I'm going to start creating and taking you along for the ride. And just so many beautiful things in my boxes, and just all these beautiful beads. And some of these beads I did buy, but a lot of them I got in lots, like at yard sales, 10 or 20 things of beads. And like, these are gorgeous. And I don't think I paid the $1.99. I think I got this in a big lot. But this can go up here, see, in my silver beads. So that's what I'm doing is I go through, I put them in their assigned areas. If I'm not going to use them, then I will put them in the proper box up there. And I've added a shelf or two, and I can take out another row of crafting materials if I need to move it down, because I've got about 20 boxes I emptied out when I made the bins of, like, up there's a bin of stone jewelry, and I just have gone through everything. That's what I've been doing while I've been missing, is going through. And see, that's all jewelry down there on that shelf. And those are all beads and bags. And these are all just, I've been sorting and going through, adding boxes like for my steampunk, for keys, and just fine-tuning it all so that I can create again. Then I've got my trays over there. One's hanging out kind of stupidly. And then my work surface is just full right now, just getting everything organized. So that's what I've been up to. And I'm really excited. And I've got those bags of scraps over there. They're from rugs I bought and took apart. And there's some gorgeous pieces of fabric in there. Some velvet on top that doesn't belong. But I'm going to be doing things with those and selling those too. Picking out what I want and selling lots of that fabric for scrap for people to make things out of. So I've got a lot I've been working towards. And I'm ready to get back on the channel and start really sharing a lot of stuff with you guys. So this is going to be a lot of fun. I can't even imagine what I'm going to find down in the bottom of that box. Some of the stuff at the bottom's been down there for probably 3 or 4 years. So this will be a lot of fun, and I'll take you along as I work through it. I'll show you some of the more interesting pieces. This is my paper beads I added to yesterday. But just, you can see some of it's one little piece at a time. So it's just a lot of fun. You can see I'm just really spread out, just working. So I'll be back again very soon with more updates on this, and then some actual tutorials and pieces. I'm going to be working on more ornaments. I'm just really excited to come back. The kids started school. I'm no longer babysitting. They went to school. I'm not home teaching anymore, homeschooling anymore. And Mom even got a job at the schools, so they'll be off with her in the summer, spring break, Christmas break, Thanksgiving break. All David has to do is pick them up in the afternoon. Mom is driving them to school, and hopefully that'll work out long term, because that has been wonderful. So I've got more time now to actually create. So I'm very, very excited to be back, and I'll talk to you again really soon. Bye.